Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do this.
Actually, today I wanted to do a BoxyCharm box, but my freaking BoxyCharm box hasn't come yet.
Today we're doing this very glam holiday makeup look. I know the year 2020 has been crazy and a lot of people probably aren't going to Christmas parties or holiday parties or whatever, but I figured maybe some people are doing like virtual parties and you could do this look and also still stay comfy because I'm in my pajama bottoms down below. But I just thought it'd be really fun. I love doing like glam looks and I never wear red lips, so I wanted to do this, especially for the holidays because you know that's just the perfect time to do it. But I did this very sparkly glittery eyeliner. This doesn't have to be just like a holiday party look. This can be like just, you know, Christmas with your family or whatever. So if you guys want to see how I got this holiday Christmas glam look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I went ahead and changed my shirt because if y'all know me, wearing a white shirt and doing my makeup, just not a great combo. So I'm just gonna wear this. I'm just gonna match with my background. But yeah, first I'm gonna go in with my new favorite primer. It is the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer. This has just been a gift from God himself. It is so good. Like it literally just like blurs all my pores and just keeps keeps my face looking real poreless, you know, just the name. Next, I'm gonna be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. Between this and the Tarte Face Tape, they have been like my holy grails. I just can't ever decide which one I wanna use. And I just find that I use way too much foundation and I always regret how much I put on my face after I do it. So I put it on the back of my hand now and just take my Beauty, actually this is the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, and I do it that way because I find I use way less foundation doing this. Actually, for a little bit fuller coverage, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte foundation brush first and kind of use that and set it everywhere. Using a brush gives you just, you know, fuller coverage, obviously, and then I'll go in and just kind of melt everything together with the sponge, but I got a lot going on my face right now and I need all the coverage I can get. This is just like my favorite part of makeup is like putting on foundation just to see like the transformation that you get. Like it's just so crazy. Like look at this little red guy. Bye. Okay, he's still kind of there, but you feel me? Like I just feel like it's just gives me so much more confidence, I guess. I don't know. And then I just kind of go in with this sponge, take a little bit more on the sponge and just like blend everything together. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna go in and cream contour my face. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Contour Stick. I just randomly decided to start cream contouring again after recreating my first makeup tutorial video. I don't know, I just feel like it just brings the whole face together more. I didn't like what I used to cream contour with before, but I do really like this. I picked this up at Dollar General, so super cheap. And I'm just gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation brush to kind of just blend this all out. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in the shade Medium Tan. Conceal under our eyes. A little bit in the center of our forehead, down our nose, and our chin just to even out all the brightness. I just think I look so cute when I do this. I don't know why. Like I don't. Whatever. And I do take the concealer around onto my eyelids like an eyeshadow primer. I don't really ever use eyeshadow primer, but I just like to put my concealer there just for that reason. Okay, my sponge sounds so weird because I just cleaned all my makeup brushes and my sponge, and I accidentally forgot that I was cleaning my sponges and left them in the dish soap and water for like 4 hours. So I think there's gonna be dish soap in them like for the rest of their lives. And you can just hear it when I pounce it. It's like pew, 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 pew. I'm just really proud of myself for cleaning my stuff because that hasn't been done for months. Honestly, probably back like in February or March since I did my how I clean my makeup brushes was the last time I cleaned my brushes. What powder do I want to use today? We're just gonna go in with my old holy grail. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. I don't know why, I've just been obsessed with this. Can't stop using it. And I don't really bake per se, but I just like to like set my powder there for a long while these days. I don't know. And I really like to clean this up right here. Now I'm gonna go back in and like kind of pat that all into my skin. I don't bake for a long time. I wouldn't even really call it baking. I just like set it there for a few extra minutes. And I like to do this with a damp sponge because if it's not damp, it just looks, I don't know, I just like the look that it gives with the damp sponge. And I go over my eyes, set my eyelid. This sponge is so noisy. I'm sorry you guys have to hear this. Or do you? I don't know. It sounds like somebody walking with wet shoes on. That's what it sounds like. But just like the speed I'm going, they're more like running. That would be walking. And I do kind of let this sit on here for a little bit extra. Now we're gonna use the e.l.f. powder brush. It's a big honker. And I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Cappuccino and just bronzing up my face. I kind of like to let this stay here while I put my bronzer on. So like if I do go further down than what I want, there's kind of powder there to like resist it, I guess. In my head, it makes a whole lot of sense. This is a very warm bronzer. I haven't used it in a while, but I used to love it. Why am I out of breath? Now I'm gonna go in with a puffer brush and kind of just blend all this powder in and kind of blend it upwards onto that bronzer to kind of diffuse the transition of it. And taking another Eco Tools face powder brush, just diffusing the lines of my bronzer everywhere else. Next, I usually don't do this, but I just thought, what the heck, why not? Why not do it? I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and use the contour shade and just contour my cheeks. And using the Eco Tools Define Brush, I'm just gonna really focus this like right on the upper part of my cheeks, right where it meets like my ear, just to give it a little more definition. Maybe like on my temple too. And then I'm also going to use this to contour my nose. Next for blush, going in with the ColourPop Between the Sheets Super Shock Sheer Blush. I haven't used this in a hot minute. Using the Olimar Brightening Brush, popping it on the little cheekies. And I also haven't used this in forever, so I'm using the ColourPop Flexitarian Highlight and just flipping that brush over and highlighting our face. My favorite place to highlight. So we put a lot there. On my chin a little bit. Up here, just a little bit. And then I like to go in with my finger. Do my nosy. Look at that little cute poppet. So cute. A little down the bridge of my nose. So pretty, so pretty. I like to glow, okay? For brows, this is new, I haven't used it. It's the Milk Makeup Gel Brow in the shade. We don't know her, but I'm gonna try it out. I just got it at TJ Maxx. Thought I would test it out. This was $5. You know, TJ Maxx be hooking us up with that basically free makeup. So chubby. I don't want you to be chubby. Okay, well, the brows aren't even. I can never get my brows to look even or even good for that matter, but the brows are on. I've been trying to do a different style of brows to help my hooded eye look. I feel like I was doing a good job until I used that. I loved this brow pencil, like absolutely loved it. The only thing I don't like is that it's one you have to sharpen and not just like retractable, but heck yes, for $5, I freaking loved this thing. Anyways, moving on. Next, we're gonna be doing our eyes. I'm gonna be taking the Tarte BU Naturally palette, and I also think I might dip into a shade from the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. First, I'm gonna be taking the shade Earthy right here just to go in and set all over our eye. And I am using this palette. I want a more cool tone kind of brown. So this is really the only cool brown that I have. It's the shade Explore right here. It's not even like super cool tone, but we work with what we have. Don't think you have to go out and buy new stuff. And we're just like taking that in our crease. And I might do this a few times too, just to really build up the color. And then next I'm gonna jump into the Carly Bible palette and take, it doesn't have a shade color, but this one that I've hit pan on. Apparently I use it a lot. We're just gonna go right underneath that and kind of deepen up our crease. This is more the actual crease that we're taking this in. We're gonna go in with this like cool tone brown right here, and just taking a more flat, dense brush and just like really focusing this like in the crease. We want to make our crease pop.
It needs to be popping.
Now for the terrifying part, the wing. We're gonna be using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner plus Serum in the shade Ultra Black. I'm annoying. We're gonna try and like hold our breath until we get done with the whole entire both sides of our wings. My eyes are already watering. Holy cow, that's a big freaking wing. This is the biggest freaking wing in history. Oh my god. Why? Nope, I'm already starting over. I'm starting over. Okay, that actually wasn't that hard to take off. I just kind of patted a wipe on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this side while this side dries. And we're not gonna make it that big honking big, okay? Not bad, not bad. Not great, but not bad, okay? Don't get it twisted. Oh my god, that does not look bad at all. Okay, Shanelle, this does not look terrible. It looks cute. I'm excited. Now for the fun part. I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video. I haven't yet because I haven't filmed the beginning of the video, but I have been wanting to do this look for probably like 2 months now. I've been thinking of doing this look for a holiday look, and it was so funny. Like I got on YouTube the other day and Desi Perkins video of her doing this like 2 or 3 years ago like popped up, and I'm like,
oh my god.
That is the exact idea I have that I want to do, that I had already thought of. She just used like a different color glitter shade, and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect. And then literally like a week after that, Brianna Fox posted a video recreating the look that Desi Perkins did. Like I just thought it was so funny that like me and Brianna Fox, you know, we got the same kind of thoughts. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna be recreating Desi Perkins' video and Brianna Fox's video, but just to let you know, I thought this in my head. I'm not like it's a hard look to do or thousands of people haven't thought of it already, but I thought of it before I saw this videos, just to be clear. But we're gonna be taking the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. Got this at TJ Maxx. It's like so freaking pretty. I'm gonna be using a Morphe little flat brush. I don't know what it is. And I'm just gonna be working off of the applicator and taking it bit by bit and putting it on the eyeliner. I know Desi and Brianna both used like powder. I think it's like powder glitter. I'm using liquid. I really don't want any of that black showing. Oh my god, that is freaking gorgeous. It almost deserves the full cuss word, you know? Look how pretty and like just glam that is. Okay, and now just gonna go back into this Carly palette, taking the first shade we used in here on my lower lash line. Not going too crazy because I want to keep the main focus of the eye on the liner. Then I'm gonna be going in with the Man Eater mascara just to give a coat to my lashes. Okay, my eyes are watering because I just put eyeliner on the whatever this is, and it always freaking just makes my eyes water. And this eye is red as heck. Don't know what's going on, but lashes are on. I used the Ardell Wispies in the style 600. Then I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara on my bottom lashes. Next, I'm gonna go back in with the highlight that we used and put that in the inner corner of our eye. I'm gonna be taking a really small brush, popping that in the inner corner of our eye. God, my eye is so red. And I'm also gonna be taking this right under my brow, on the brow bone. Make that pop there too. I haven't used this highlight in forever and I forgot how freaking gorgeous it is. And then what's next? I'm scared to do the lip. Like I'm sure you already saw from the intro of this video, but I'm gonna be going in with the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. This is really pretty red. You can't do a holiday look without doing a red lip. And I'm gonna be using the same lip liner. A red lip is just so hard to do. You can see every little imperfection, every little mess up you do. So this takes some concentration. Whoa, she red. Now just going in with the liquid lipstick. That's cute. You always gotta check your teeth. Oh, I feel like I'm going to a holiday party right now. Last but not least, we're gonna set our face. I think I'm gonna use this, but I don't know. She's been playing me lately. We're gonna try it. Doing the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Spray. I love this stuff, but man, sometimes it comes out in foam and it just gets chunks of foam on your face. Oh, she's good to me today. She's good to me today. Here is the finished look. I finally threw my white turtleneck on. If you didn't watch my Amazon video, I got this off of Amazon and I love it. I think it's just gonna be perfect for the holidays. It's so classy, especially with this red lip. If you are interested in this, I will link it down below in the description for you. And yeah, I am obsessed with this. I just feel so Christmassy, holiday, glammy that I'm in love. And I don't love a red lip on myself, but I just think it looks so good with this. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show me some love and support me. It really means a lot to me and I love you so much. Thank you for all those that do. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. Happy holidays, and I guess until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Merry Christmas! Go out and make the world smile. Now for the terrifying. Today, why do I keep looking at myself in the mirror? Ugh, I'm obsessed. Thank you to all those that not going too crazy. Ow, what is in my eye? Don't be weird, Shanelle, don't be weird. Why are you so thick, eyebrow? Like, I don't want you thick. I don't know. I never wear a red lip and I'm just obsessed. Ooh, my armpits stink. So I can make myself cry again. Make it go clont. I kind of like to, oh, what the heck? My eyes be watering.